Hello everyone. In this video, we will see some important pairs of angles. Okay. So first we will see angles in a linear pair. Then we will see vertically opposite angles. Okay. These pairs of angles are important for solving theorems and problems related to parallel lines. We have already started the chapter of parallel lines. The link of the video is in description and the I button. You can check it out. So here first we will see angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair. See here this is segment PR. Okay, line segment PR. It is a straight line. See this line segment PR is a straight line and this segment PR is a straight line and this segment QS is touching the line PR at point Q. Okay. Segment PR is a straight line and here there are two angles are formed. Okay. See this angle, that is angle PQS and angle SQR. Okay. So SQP and SQR, there are two angles. So these both the angles are called angles in a linear pair. Okay. Segment PR is a straight line. Okay. So straight line के ऊपर जो angles बन रहे हैं, that is called angles in a linear pair. Okay. Angle SQP and angle SQR are angles in a linear pair. Okay. That is the angles are formed on the straight line. Okay. Now there is a property, special property of these angles in a linear pair. Okay. It is an important property. So this is a property of angles in a linear pair. See, the angles in a linear pair are supplementary. Okay. Means the sum of the measure of these two angles in a linear pair are 180 degree. Okay, supplementary angles means what? The sum of the angles should be 180 degree. So if we add the angles in a linear pair, the measure should be equal to 180 degree. अगर ये दोनों एंगल का मेजर अगर हम ऐड करते हैं तो उसका आंसर 180 आता है. Okay, so let us see. Okay, now see, this is the protractor. Okay, see, this is a protractor. We will use, it is used for measuring angles. So we'll measure and see. Okay, see this angle and this angle. The total sum will be 180 degree. Okay, see from this here, see it is 180 degree. Total is 180 degree. Okay, see this measure angle SQR plus measure angle SQP. Okay, so SQR, this angle SQR, this is how much? See from here, see the top side of the measure, it is exactly 50 degree. Okay, see this here, see the measurement, it is 50 degree. So measure angle SQR is how much? 50 degree. Okay, 50 degree plus measure angle SQP. See this SQP, this angle here, it is how much? See, you have to see the measure from here. See here 0 degree, 10 degree and like this measurement you have to see. So what is the measure? It is exactly 130 degree. See here, I have pointed it out, 130. See, okay, so angle SQP is 130 degree, this angle. Okay, 130 degree. Now which is equal to 50 plus 130. How much it will be? 50 plus 130 will be 180. So the measure of both these angles, if we add, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay, the sum of the measures of angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. Okay, this is the example. Okay, so if we add the measure of these two angles, that is measure angle SQP, this angle, plus measure angle SQR, this angle. If we add both these angles, the answer will be equal to 180. So 180 degree. Okay. So if we add the measure of angles in a linear pair, the answer what we will get is 180 degree. Okay, that is the angles will be supplementary. Okay, supplementary angles means sum of the angles should be 180 degree, right? So angles in a linear pair are supplementary. Okay. Next we will see vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. So from the name itself we can find vertically opposite means it will be opposite. Okay. So this is line segment AB and this is line segment CD. They both are intersecting each other at point O. Okay. See this is line segment AB and here we have line segment CD and it is intersecting each other at this point O. Okay, this is the point O. Now see this angle here, this angle and this angle. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay, because see they don't have any common arm. Okay, कोई भी साइड ये दोनों एंगल का कॉमन नहीं है, सिर्फ वर्टेक्स कॉमन है. Okay, they don't have any common arm, only the vertex is common. Okay, so such angles are called vertically opposite angles. See this angle again and this angle. Okay, these two angles are also vertically opposite angles. Okay, so the angles formed when two lines intersect each other, okay, the angles which are formed are called vertically opposite angles. See this angle, angle AOC, this angle AOC. Now from this figure we can see that angle DOB is opposite of angle AOC. Okay, see this angle is exactly opposite. So the first pair of vertically opposite angles are angle AOC and angle DOB. See, I have shown it with red color. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. And the next pair is, and see this angle AOD. This angle, the vertically opposite angle of this angle is this angle COB. Okay. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay. So angle AOD and angle COB. Okay. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay. So there are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Okay. The first pair we have seen and this is the second pair. Okay. Two pairs of vertically opposite angles we will get. So this is one important property. When two lines intersect, the pair of opposite angles are congruent. Okay. See this angle. This angle and this angle. Okay. These are a pair of vertically opposite angles, opposite to each other. So these two angles are congruent. Okay. So angle AOC is congruent to angle DOB. Okay. The first pair of vertically opposite angle is congruent. Now this pair is congruent to this. Okay, see, first pair is congruent and the next pair what we got? See this AOD and COB, this pair. These two angles are also congruent. Okay, so angle AOD is congruent to angle COB. See, I have shown it with green color. See this angle and this angle congruent. Okay, see this is the symbol for congruent. Congruent means their measures are equal. Okay, so if you want you can draw this angles in your notebook and measure this with the protractor. Okay, now I will write the measures directly here. Okay, I have already measured the angles, so I will write it directly there. So you can see the vertically opposite angles are congruent, that is it is of equal measures. Okay, this angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and this angle AOD is equal to angle COB. Okay, the pairs of vertically opposite angles, they are congruent. Okay, so this property of vertically opposite angles, we have proved it as a theorem. We have proved this theorem called vertically opposite angle theorem. I will give the link of that video in the description and the I button. Please check that video. So when two lines intersect, the pair of opposite angles, okay, that is the vertically opposite angles are congruent. So here we end this video. If this video was useful to you, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.